Hi there, I'm Alex Cunningham, and I'll walk you through this Notion tutorial step by step. Let's jump right in.
If you're looking to get your Notion workspace organized and more efficient, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll show you how to group Notion pages using your database properties, and then I'll reveal a simple keyboard shortcut to quickly toggle those groups. By the end, you'll know how to get your pages neatly sorted, easy to browse, and even faster to navigate. So let's jump in. First things first, I'm starting with a Notion database on my screen. You might have a list of tasks, notes, or projects. It could look a bit like a spreadsheet, but with all those flexible Notion features we love. The key here is that if you have pages scattered across your database, grouping can make your life so much easier. It's kind of like organizing all your files into labeled folders, rather than keeping everything in one messy pile. This helps you see related pages at a glance, focus on what matters, and keep everything tidy. Okay, to group your pages, you'll want to find your database settings. Usually, you'll see 3 little dots at the top right corner of your database, which opens up a menu. Click that, and look for the option that says Database Settings. If you haven't done this before, don't worry. It's just Notion's way of letting you customize how your database looks and works. Once you're in the database settings, the next thing you'll spot is the Group option. Click on that, and you'll get several choices depending on what properties you have set up in your database. Properties are little pieces of information you attach to each page, like status, category, due date, or maybe project. This is where Notion really shines. It lets you group your pages based on any of these properties. So, for example, if you want to see all your tasks grouped by status, you can choose the status property. That way, you'll get columns or sections for to do, in progress, and done. Super useful if you want to visualize your workflow. Or if you're managing content ideas, you can group by topic or tag, so things related to marketing, design, or development are instantly separated. Once you've chosen your property, Notion automatically organizes your pages into those groups, kind of like turning a big stack of papers into neat piles, one for each category. You'll see your database splits into clearly labeled sections, and within each group, you'll have all the relevant pages. If you make a change as, say, update a page's property, Notion will move it to the right group automatically. Don't fret if your database feels a little slow at this part or if it looks different briefly. That's just Notion doing its magic in the background. Now, let's say you've got your groups set up and you want to quickly toggle them. Maybe to collapse or expand the sections, switch between groups, or just clear up some visual space on your screen. There's a fantastic shortcut for this. All you need to do is press Ctrl plus Alt plus T on your keyboard. Give it a try. When you hit these keys, Notion will instantly toggle your grouped sections for you. This is especially handy if you're working with a lot of data and you want to focus in on just one group, or if you need to get a quick overview of everything. And that's really it. Grouping pages and toggling sections are simple but powerful tricks for smuggling more organization and speed into your Notion workflow. If you ever feel lost, just remember that you're adjusting settings to see your information as clearly as possible, almost like organizing your closet so you can grab exactly what you need when you need it. Thanks so much for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit that like button. And if you've got any questions, drop them in the comments below. I love hearing from you and I'm always happy to help out. Don't forget to subscribe for more Notion tips and productivity hacks. Until next time, happy organizing.